Namaskar. Today I am here again with a new session for Art of Parenting, and I have observed several times that when we want to teach the children, what we always think is कि I have to teach the child. मुझे पढ़ाना है, मुझे पढ़ाना है. तो मुझे पढ़ाना हमारे ऊपर इतना हावी रहता है कि हम ये नहीं समझ पाते कि एफर्ट किसको ज्यादा करना है. पेरेंट ज्यादा करेगा एफर्ट या बच्चा ज्यादा एफर्ट करेगा. और आप, आई डोंट नो इफ यू हैव एवर बीन एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पर्टिकुलर थिंग और नॉट, दैट इफ यू आर डूइंग मोर एफर्ट, the child will not be able to gain that much that you are expecting. See, here the parent is a facilitator, all right, and a facilitator means that you just have to give him a little push. You don't have to feed him with information. That becomes, first of all, it becomes very boring, all right. And another thing is that where is the thinking power of the child? Where is his creativity? Where is his thought process? You are stuffing everything in the child's mind. What is he doing? Is he just at the receiving end? कि बस मुझे उसको देना और आप देना और वो लेना. वो नहीं होता है. मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब हम बच्चे को किसी एग्जाम की तैयारी करते हैं या कभी भी हम कुछ पढ़ाते हैं, तो आप कम काम करो और बच्चे से ज्यादा करो. And this is a debate between me and my husband also. He teaches him maths and I teach him all the other subjects, and sometimes he also teaches the other subjects also along with maths. But then for me, I mean, Sameer can come to me anytime whether I'm doing something or not, because I know I don't have to do anything. What has to be done by Sameer only. So today I was thinking that I'll just speak to the parents on this particular angle of preparation for examination. So like tomorrow he has got social science exam, and I said that I will not, I don't have to say anything because he knows if I'm going to TIE, what is expected from me. So it's just an example before you. So Sameer, you have your social science exam. What is the name of your chapter?
The Earth and the Solar System.
All right. So you know what has to be done, no?
Yes.
Okay. And what TIE has to do with that also, you know?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so he will teach me. I will not teach him. I've already told him. You do the revision. Ask me beforehand. Whatever you have not been able to understand, I'll make you understand that. But then you have to come in front of me and teach me whatever you have understood. Alright, so his doubt clearing session is already over. So now he's prepared with the chapter, and now look what is going to happen now. Yes.
So the first is the universe. The celestial bodies are located in the universe are all included in the universe. Like solar system, galaxies, stars, planets are all the part of the universe.
Alright.
The universe is defined as the totality of including all the physical matters and features like galaxies, planets.
Can you give me some example of galaxy?
Milky Way.
Alright, okay. Because whenever there is a what question,
Yes.
you also always have to give an example. Alright. What else you want to tell me?
And next I will tell you about nebula, the cloud or gases that is believed to be the mother of the universe is called nebula.
Alright. Now, that I am not interested in. Now, I just want to know, on the whole, because it will take a lot of time and we don't have much time, on the whole, what all things are there in the chapter for you?
In this chapter we have constellation, galaxies, about planets and comets, asteroids, comets.
Alright. You have understood about all the comet. What is a comet?
A comet is a shiny heavenly body made up of frozen dust, frozen gases and dust particles.
Very nice. And how do you learn the question answer when I ask you? Do I make you remember all the question answers, or what do you do? How do you come prepared to the Taiji?
So first I have read the chapter.
I read the chapter, yes.
I have read the chapter and then I First, I mark the important question and answers, and then revise it for two times, and then after the chapter, we revise my copy.
Acha. And then if there is, do you have in this chapter something like that this is this and okay, that is in science. Okay. Now this is your social science. So this is here. You must have seen that. Open your science book. That Samir does more of talking. I do less of talking. All right, and so whenever he has to come to me for any kind of revision, so he knows it beforehand. So I have to go prepared to tie, okay? And then whenever he has any problem, I'm there to sort it out. All right. So here in social science, what is it today?
I will tell you about the food. Where does it comes from?
Where does it come from? Okay.
Yes. So let us take rice. So we can take the rice and boil it. Just 2 ingredients are added to the rice. So where does the rice comes from? So the rice comes from the fields of
Paddy.
yes paddy. Fields of paddy and so much of other materials and sources are also comes from the fields. So first, like fruits and vegetables are come from plants. Egg, meat, fish are come from animals.
All right.
So and now I will tell you the test of the starch. How to test the starch. So first we take
All right. Don't tell me. I know that. Is there anything that you have learned here? Just tell me. Learned here means this is this and this is that, and then how you tell me that Taiji, this I have learned, and just ask me.
fill in the blanks.
Maybe the sources or something that are not
Sources.
there. This is you were saying, no?
Yes, name of the animals.
Animal
And their food.
हाँ.
So like cat and buffalo. The name of the animal is cat.
So I ask him to hide the answers. All right, then he will do it. I will not see anything. Okay. So
first is cat, buffalo, grass, oil cake and hay grains. So the buffalo.
Now put your hand that side.
So grass, oil cake, hay and grains are eaten by buffalo.
So it is both the ways. Even the question and answer. I don't teach him anything. I'm telling you, I just don't teach him. He only does it where he has to put the hand, where he has to see the answer. Then suppose the answers is already spoken, then he will put the hand on the question, then he will speak the answer. So this is the way that I feel that more of learning takes place, and the child is also on his toes. The parent doesn't have to be on his toes. Parents have to just ensure that this is the study time for the child. This is the time that the child has to sit and study. Rest of the work the child has to do. Even he has to come to me for any doubts. I will not go to him. Alright, कि तुम मुझसे तो ये तुझे समझ में आया कि नहीं आया? No. He has to come to me with his doubts. I will explain it to him. And first I will ask him to read the lines again and again. वो कई बार मुझसे हिंदी की परिभाषा के लिए भी आया पहले, और कुछ वो जो जितने भी वो स्वर व्यंजन और क्या क्या तुम्हारे होते हैं, तो इसने कहा मुझसे ताई मुझे ये समझ, मैंने कहा दोबारा पढ़ के इसने ही मुझे समझाया, मैंने नहीं समझाया। जब इसने 10 बार पढ़ा इसको खुद समझ में आ गया। सो दिस इज हाउ वेरी सिंपल ट्रिक्स हमारे पेरेंट्स तो ये नहीं फॉलो किया करते थे, बट आज का टाइम ऐसा है कि पेरेंट्स अगर सोचे कि मैं बैठ के सारा कुछ उसको पढ़ा दूंगा, कल उसका एग्जाम है, तो पेरेंट पूरे टाइम उसके साथ लगे नहीं। चाइल्ड हैज टू, यू हैव टू मेक हिम अंडरस्टैंड दैट बेटा आपको ही पढ़ना है, इट इज योर दिस थिंग, आई एम जस्ट अ फैसिलिटेटर, आपको थोड़ा सा मैं मदद करूंगा कि आप यहाँ से यहाँ पहुंच जाओ, दैट्स इट। एंड इट मेक्स थिंग्स इंटरेस्टिंग ऑल्सो। और आप जब बोलते रहोगे पूरे टाइम आप ही बोल रहे हो, ये बुक आपने ऐसे रखी है और हियर द बुक इज विद हिम, नाउ इफ सपोज द बुक इज विद मी एंड नाउ आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग थिंग, उसके दिमाग में क्या जा रहा है? So very simple thing I am telling you, and I am sure you will understand this. और समीर तुम्हें कुछ कहना है कि do you like this way?
Yes, I like it the most.
Why?
Because I understand this chapter from my own.
And do you feel proud of it?
Yes, of course.
Do you think that you can become a good teacher also?
Yes.
You can. So another thing is even my English conversation also is taking place. You know, as you can see that while he's teaching me, I am able to pick up his mistakes and I am able to correct him here and there. Because English conversation पिछली lesson में भी आपने देखा होगा कि किस तरह से मैं situational एक वो बना के इनको English conversation कराने की कोशिश करती हूँ. Because if you ask him otherwise talk in English, then he will not do it. But then this thing, he has to speak in English only. He cannot speak only the subject Hindi and Sanskrit. He will speak in Hindi. So that's how it's a multitasking, and both of us enjoy. Even I enjoy. I keep on doing my thing in the mobile, and he keeps telling me, but my ears are all there only. So it's not that I have to give too much of time and too much of attention to him. So thank you so much. I'm so happy, Samir, that you like this method of teaching and learning, I should say. Teaching and learning. And I hope I've been able to give some tip to the parent. Thank you. Namaskar.